Hey kinfolk, today we're making Mardi Gras pasta. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need linguine noodles, shrimp, crawfish, andouille sausage, diced tomatoes, crimini mushrooms aka baby bella, garlic, shallot, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, parsley, lemon, Parmesan cheese, butter, heavy whipping cream, chicken broth, white wine, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. First, let's get our prep out the way. Start by mincing 4 cloves of garlic. Next, dice 1 shallot. Dice half of yellow bell pepper. Keep the pieces even. Dice half of green bell pepper, same size as the yellow so everything cooks evenly. Dice about a half cup of mushrooms. Slice the andouille sausages diagonally into half-inch thick medallions. Season the shrimp with Creole seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Cook the linguine in salted water until al dente. Heat a little oil in a pan and brown the andouille sausage. Once brown, remove the sausage and set aside. In the same pan, cook the shrimp for 1 to 2 minutes per side, then remove them and set aside. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in the same pan. Once melted, add the shallots, yellow bell pepper, and green bell pepper. Saute for about 2 minutes. Then add the mushrooms and cook for another 2 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook for about a minute, just until fragrant. Pour in a 1/4 cup of white wine, then the juice of half a lemon, and a half cup of chicken broth. Bring it to a simmer and let it reduce for about 5 minutes. Once reduced, go in with the diced tomatoes. Be sure to drain them first and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pour in a cup of heavy cream, bring it to a simmer, and let it cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until slightly thickened. Add the crawfish. Then season the sauce with Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Toss the sausage and shrimp back into the sauce. Grate in a generous amount of Parmesan cheese. Once the sauce has thickened, add the cooked pasta. And that's it. Plate it up, garnish with fresh parsley, and finish it off with a sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan. And there you have it, Mardi Gras pasta. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and muffins be cooking.